Joe's on
Hey
a roll.
everybody,
Joe's on a roll right now.
putting Spencer on the hot
spot.
seat.
On the spot.
So, how does a customer know what to look for when buying a mattress?
They don't, Joe.
What do you mean?
Well, that's our job. It's our job to.
So how do you know what to look for a customer?
Okay. So I'm gonna get a little. So in sales, which I don't like necessarily, basically it's a term called qualifying the customer, and some customers take it personal, but you really do have to ask personal questions in order to get the information, in order to steer them to the right product.
Right.
Now there are salespeople that will take advantage of some of that personal information. So that's why I think it's one of those things they come in on guard, but that information is so critical to get from a consumer when they walk in. It's hard just to say, "Come over here, let me show you something." It's a relationship.
Right.
So I don't know if I answered it, but
I think so. I mean, I think that I've completely lost my train of thought, and I really don't even know what we're talking about. But,
did I lull you to sleep?